Hey Internet world, this is Elia. Today we're going to go ahead and show you how to basically clean your computer. If you're having troubles with slow, non-responsive computer, this should basically help you out. Alright, let's get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and click on Start, go to Control Panel. Once you're in your Control Panel, we're going to go ahead and click on the Internet options. Once you're in there, you're going to see General, Security, Privacy, Content, Connections, Programs, and Advanced, which will be on the top. In the home page settings, you're going to make sure that it's set to the home page that you're interested in. MSN, Google, Yahoo, and so forth. Once you make sure that's correct, you're going to go ahead and click on the delete button right here. Make sure that this is also checked. Once that's clicked on, you're going to see where it's going to basically go in and clean the media files, the web pages, going to clean all the passwords and forms, the download history, the history of the websites, and so forth. Feel free to click on delete on the bottom here. What it's going to do is going to go ahead and start cleaning the cookies and cache on your computer. Leave that run. Once it's all finished, we're going to go ahead and move to the next, which will be security. We're going to make sure that one way of doing this, you can click on reset all zones. Mine's already clicked on. Make sure you click on local intranet, trusted sites, and restricted sites on each one. So let's start with internet first. Make sure it says to medium high, which it is. Okay, great. Local intranet, that should be medium low. Trusted sites, medium. And restricted sites should be on high. Let's go ahead and click on the next one, which is privacy. Let's go ahead and make sure that all cookies basically should be set to low. Make sure that the clear sites is clicked on, and make sure that you turn on your pop-up blocker. That should help. Alright, next one we're going to go is content. We're going to click on clear SSL and click OK. Next one we're going to go to is connections. Make sure that your LAN settings is set to automatically detect settings, which it is. Alright, click OK. Let's get out of there. And let's go to programs. You can also make your Internet Explorer your default, but I suggest using something like Firefox, which is much secure, or Chrome. Alright, next one will be advanced. Let's go to restore advanced settings, and then hit apply, and then hit OK. Let's go ahead now and click on start, and let's look for disk cleanup. Let's go ahead and let that run. It's going to go ahead and basically gather all the space on your computer and see if we can free it up. Now if you have something like let's see here, on mine I have crap cleaner. You can get that from download.com. Alright, that was quick. And then you're gonna go ahead and make sure that these are all checked. Click OK here on the bottom and then hit delete files. It's gonna do its work. Make sure that everything is cleaned up. Alright, back like I was saying, crap cleaner, AVG or Spybot search and destroy, or use Mozilla Firefox. You can get that from download.com. I'll show that here in a few seconds, but let's go ahead and click on CCleaner or crap cleaner. Now we're going to go ahead and make sure that these are already done checked. And we're going to hit on analyze. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on run cleaner. Only took about 4.2 seconds, which is great. The next one we're going to go to is registry. Make sure that these are all checked. I'm going to go ahead and scan for issues. This will basically help up with your registry and speed up your computer. Alright, basically there's no issues found. If there was some problems, they would have been popped up here, maybe 2, 3, 4, 10, 20 items. If it was, then you'd just click on fix selected, and the next screen would have been saying something like, do you want to back up, yes or no? I usually hit no, then I just hit on the fix items. Alright, great. And of course these are the tools where you can actually go into your programs and say, for instance, you want to get rid of some of these items, like say Dropbox or Citrix Online. You can click on that and hit uninstall. and that'll of course free up some memory on your computer. Anything that you don't see or anything that looks strange to you, you can go ahead and clear that out. Alright, great. Hopefully this video helps you. Of course, I would also recommend, once you're done doing all this, recommendation, if you have software that you can use your AVG. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this up for you so you can see. Open AVG. AVG is a free program, and as you can see, you can also run a scan. You can fix performance, which will basically make your computer run a little more faster. Let's see here. Also, another program. Oh, let's go to another place where you can go to download from a secure site is download.com. Again, it's download.com. And for instance, if you're interested in looking for a crap cleaner, here it is. You can click on that. Let's go ahead and do that, just for an example. And of course, you're going to see where it says download. Click here, and it'll download it on your computer. Or, say for instance, let's go back. You're wanting maybe a firewall. You can type in something like zone alarm. And again, you can also click on the download, and it'll automatically download on your computer. You might have to basically, of course, accept. Let's see here. And of course, another one which I would suggest you recommend or install on your computer. And let me pop it up for you. It's called Malware Bytes Anti-Malware. Alright. With this right here, I would suggest clicking on the update. And of course, once your computer is updated with the Malware Bytes Anti-Malware, I would suggest doing a scan. Once the scan is complete and everything is done, then I would suggest clicking on Start and then Restart. Once everything is done after all this process. Once that's done, you should see a faster and better computer, where basically you're going through files and opening website much quicker. Feel free to go ahead and subscribe and let me know if this have helped you. If it is, feel free to shoot me a comment. Let me know if you need any other more information or any more help. With that, this is Elia Santiago signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.